Hi, this is Joelle Meyer. I will show you how to create a nice picture frame for Father's Day. This project can also be used for Mother's Day or other special occasions. The frame will be made of wooden sticks. You will find that there is quite a choice of different kinds of wooden sticks to create this project. Choose the size of wooden sticks you prefer to create your frame. Start by painting all the wooden sticks in white. This coat will serve as a primer, and in addition, it will be useful if you use a rather transparent color to paint the wooden sticks. If you are a perfectionist, you can paint the sticks on both sides. Take the time to let the paint dry before painting the other sides of the sticks. Choose one or more colors to paint the sticks that will form the frame. For this frame, I chose to use two different colors. The advantage of painting the sticks before assembling the frame is that if you use two colors, you will not have to take too much precaution to avoid spreading the paint from one stick to the other. When you have painted all your sticks, let the paint dry. For a nicer finish, add a coat of acrylic varnish. Now take your sticks and assemble the frame. Place the vertical sides of the frame on the table and then place the horizontal sides on top. Adjust if necessary and then glue the sticks together. Use your creativity to decorate the frame. Add paint dots, beads, shells, glitter, stickers, buttons, etc. The possibilities for creating a unique project are endless. Print your chosen picture at the right size so that it occupies the entire space inside the frame. Glue the picture on a thick cardboard. Then glue the cardboard with the picture on the back of the frame. Make sure the picture is centered in the frame. To have a well-finished product, I added construction paper on the back of the cardboard in a color matching the frame. Take two wooden clothespins to create the supports that allow the picture frame to stand. For each clothespin, remove the spring and glue the two thin ends together with hot glue. If you wish, you can also paint the clothespins. Glue the clothespins to the back of the frame at the bottom of the vertical sticks. Don't forget to subscribe to our Animaplace YouTube channel and also click on the bell to be notified when we publish new videos. To access the downloadable document, go to the Animaplace website. See you soon!